Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over part 3 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals, and in this video we're going to go over some baby and kids items. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now if you haven't heard, we do have a Dollar General clearance event coming up this weekend. It is going to start on Friday, June the 9th and run through Sunday, June the 11th. Now I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week, so if you have missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out, because you are not going to want to miss out on these amazing deals. So all those videos will be listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because I have even more videos coming at you this week. Alright, so we have a lot to get to in this video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, we have this little cabinet lock safety set. 2 count, going to be just 90 cents. Then we also have these bath rinse cups. They are going to be $1.20. We also have this little Fisher Price toy going down to $6. Now keep in mind, if your store is a 70% off store, these items will be even cheaper. The majority of those stores will be an additional 50% off, but there will be some stores out there that will be taking an additional 70% off. Alright, up next we have a couple of different pacifiers to be on the lookout for, as well as this Hello Natural apple flavored toddler training toothpaste and brush bundle for $2.47. We also have the baby Orajel 2-pack, so it comes with the daytime and the nighttime Orajel for just $3.12. Really awesome deal. We also have the DG Health disposable nursing pads, 60 count for $2.70. We have the Johnson & Johnson's baby gift set. It comes with the shampoo, the lotion, and the diaper rash cream for $3.02. You can't beat it. And then we also have several of these Mommy Bliss organic drops. So we have the elderberry drops, we have the vitamin D drops, and then we also have the gripe water nighttime drops. All of those are going to be included in this clearance event, and keep in mind that these may or may not be marked as clearance at your store. And we're going to talk more about that towards the end of the video, so y'all make sure that you stick around and please watch the video all the way through. It really does help me out. Now next up we have the Kids Centrum Gummies, 50 count. These are going to be $2.87. We have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.62. A fantastic deal. Next up, we have the Highlands Kids Cough Syrups. We have a 4-ounce bottle as well as a 5-ounce bottle for $3.97. You really can't beat it. Up next, we also have a couple of the Gentle Steps products. We have the 8-ounce bottle of the Gentle Steps shampoo and body wash, and then we also have the Gentle Steps baby wash. That's a 27.1 ounce bottle for $2.02. Great deal. We also have the Advent baby bottles for the colicky babies. These are going to be $3.50. We also have the Gentle Steps wipes in lavender scent, 72 count for $1.17. Alright, up next, this is a huge deal. This is going to be a hot ticket item during this Dollar General clearance event. We have Love's Diapers. Going to be an additional 50% off, possibly an additional 70% off depending on your store. We have sizes 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the big boxes. At 50% off, they are going to be $7.87. Plus, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So that is going to leave you paying $4.87. And y'all, if you can find these on Saturday and pair that up with your $5.25 DG store coupon, you are really going to have a fantastic deal on your hands. Alright guys, now we're almost to the end of the video, and I told you guys earlier that I wanted to kind of chit chat with you all before you go. So I know that some people are still confused on what POG clearance items are, and I just wanted to go ahead and point out that I have put out a Dollar General how to shop the clearance events pro tips included video. It is right up there at the top of this picture, as y'all can see. So if you are new to Dollar General clearance shopping, you definitely need to go and watch that video. And even if you're a pro, you might learn something new. So make sure that y'all go and check out that video. Now, the whole reason behind me making these videos for you all is that when POG clearance items are included in our clearance events and even the clearance sections, okay, because those two kind of go hand in hand a little bit, but with the POG clearance items, that means that there's probably going to be on the shelf in their regular spot, and the employees are supposed to go around and mark them with an orange 10% off tag. Well, the employees a lot of time are overworked, underpaid, there's not enough staff at a store, so they don't have time to go around and mark all of these items with those stickers. So that's really the magic behind these videos. That's why I make them. That's why I put them out there. That way, when you guys go out shopping this weekend at the Dollar General clearance event, you all will know which items to look for, whether they are marked or not. And if they aren't marked, you're going to have a huge advantage over other clearance shoppers because they may not know that those items are included. And like I told you all in a previous video this week, I have been to clearance events at stores where the employees don't even realize everything that is included. All right, so these videos are very, very valuable. There's a lot of information in them, and it's coming to you all for free. All of the information, tips, tricks, any kind of knowledge that I have about the Dollar General clearance event, you guys have access to in these videos. And again, it is absolutely free. The only thing that I ask you all do is to please watch the videos all the way through. It is a huge help. And also make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, all of those things really do help me out tremendously. And like I said, you're getting all this information for completely free. All you have to do is watch the videos and stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you do all the things. Thumbs up, smile in the comment section, and share the video. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. If you have any questions, leave it for me down in the comment section below. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.